Okay, so I'm here with some of the ladies from the Miss Jamaica World 2017 pageant. First up, introducing yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Ja Taylor. I'm contestant number 4, Miss Ja Adventure Park.
Whoa!
My name is Leah Hollingsworth. I'm 19 years old and I'm contestant number 15, Miss Internet Solution.
AKA Miss Lisa Anna. Alright, next.
Hi guys, I'm Sachel Stevenson, contestant number 1, Miss ORS Hair Care.
Alright, so what has it been like, you know, being a part of this pageant? Like a whole heap of stress or no, like the lessons you I learned?
I like the lessons we're learning. The main thing, our motto is beauty with a purpose. So my favorite part about it so far, the best thing that we get to do is the purpose. So when we get to volunteer with children, read to them, and just experience different ways of life, and really spread our joy and our message, that's been the most
Here.
interesting.
Alright, Javon.
Well, for me, it was just being around so many different women. They're all beautiful in their own way, and you see the very different personalities coming alive, and I like that because I believe that women should empower each other, and this pageant has created that atmosphere for us to empower each other. So
Okay,
it's great.
like a nice top 5 answer. Alright, so what do you girls do for fun? Like outside of just this whole pageantry, when you have smile and all these things, what do you do for fun?
Alright, I love music, dance, entertainment, drawing. I'm a dancer.
Okay, Renee, 6:30 type of dancing.
No!
Oh,
No.
wait. What is the cheapest thing that y'all have bought lately? Like the cheapest thing?
Popcorn chicken at KFC.
Oh. Anybody can beat that one day I'm gonna look cheaper?
No.
Nobody no bag juice. Think about it, man. Okay, so talk to me about who you guys are wearing, because I know for pageants you tend to be styled sometimes.
Yes.
Well, we're wearing Kenya Linton Boutique today.
Okay,
Yes.
nice.
Fabulous dresses
Mhm.
and shoes as well. You can't see that, but things that look nice.
Yes, and she's very amazing, and you can see her dress is
I think she
contoured
took
to
care
all
of
of our
us.
body types.
Absolutely.
Okay, any comments on the Kevin Hart drama?
None.
You know,
None.
I love Kevin Hart's wife. I think Anika's a beautiful
Yeah, she
Jamaican
has some Caribbean
woman.
background.
Yes, she's a Jamaican woman, Chinese Jamaican, but Jamaican nonetheless. Stop passing up people's business. That's my.
What your advice? Stay and see what happens or cut right
Mary,
after
I
something
think
like
that's
this.
a between the two of them.
Yeah, let's just leave it
Yeah.
alone. Whatever they decide.
Yeah.
It's...
Oh, now look out for your role in a Kevin Hart next movie, you know? Just in case.
Oh no.
Alright, so now we're gonna just play one of the game. This is called Meek. I always want to ask questions for Miss Jamaica World. So let's just hear this goes. I'm gonna ask a question and you answer it. It's not gonna be very serious, but we're gonna make it sound like it's serious.
Okay.
Right? So first up, rock, paper, scissors it up. Ready? Let's see who first get it. Come, rock, paper, scissors amongst themselves. Rock, paper, scissors. Alright, try again. Rock, paper, scissors.
I
Okay.
cut you and then you kill me. So they cover me.
So who first get it?
She lose.
Okay. Let me guess one. Alright, now so your question is I'm going to answer it in a true
Okay.
Miss Jamaica style. Ready? Which of the 3 Jamaican patties, which is the best? Mother's, Tasties, or Juicy? And why?
Well, the best Jamaican patty is Tasty Patty, and one, it's been around the longest. They're more reputable, and the flavor is amazing. The crust is so succulent, and the meat amazing. By far, Tasty, the best patty.
If you could be a downtown matey for one day, provide a one line that you would say in your most ratchet voice to the wife when you see her with your borrowed goods.
One line.
Yeah, one line.
My girl. That's it.
So Sash, your question is, of the 3 male Jamaican celebrities, you had a choice. You had to kiss one, right? You have to kiss one so they can ensure that your friends and family life is safe, right? You have to kiss one. Your options are Gully Bop,
Oh, wow.
Ninja Man, and Usain Bolt 2.
Oh no!
So, three options. Your friends and your family have to save. So, it's Usain Bolt 2, Ninja Man, or Gully Bob.
Usain Bolt, so. Yeah.
Usain Bolt 2
Yes.
for the win. Alright, so when will the finals be and where and all that information there?
The Grand Coronation Show for Miss Jamaica World 2017 is this Saturday, September 23rd at the National Indoor Sports Center.
And around what time so?
Well, around 8 p.m.
Yeah.
Guys, you can turn out and get your ticket at Spartan and can contact them for further information.
And this year, the pageant is exclusively being streamed online. This is the first time in pageant history, so
Yeah.
it's a big deal. So Facebook Live and YouTube, you can follow us and subscribe to us on YouTube, Spartan TV.
Okay, it should be good, and I'm going to make sure some
Taking
friends
it
them my
socially.
body carry no placard and them something and cheerful.
But of course.
Yes. And be
Okay.
sure to comment, like, rate, and subscribe to Dottie Berry.
Yeah, you see she's been, yeah. So tell the people them that again.
Waiting on it.
Can I?
Comment, like, rate, and subscribe to Dottie Berry to see more of you.
All of this goodness. You see, since you go on so nice and not cooperate, we can get a good Miss Jamaica World Baxcova from you. After 3, I don't want to rehearse, I don't want to not try, study on key. 1, 2, 3.
Baxcova!
Alright, thank you so much, ladies.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Alright.